Hey guys, Patronn here, Brooklyn Mitsubishi, and we have a selection for all kinds of cars here at Brooklyn Mitsubishi. Because why? Because we have an indoor warehouse. We can fit up to 1,000 cars, guys. So we have Nissan, Hondas, Toyotas, okay, Ford, Nissan Rogues, you name it. So finding a car here won't be an issue. You want to find out why we're the fastest growing Mitsubishi dealership in the country right now, selling almost 400 cars? It's because of the selection that we have on vehicles. We have over 1,000 cars for you to choose from. So finding a car won't be an issue. If we don't have it, we can get it for you. If we really don't have it, it's because they don't make it, guys, okay? Come down, Brooklyn Mitsubishi. You want to get your next ride from Patronn. I got you, okay? We'll take any deal. We'll beat any dealership in the tri-state area, even in the country, okay? That's how aggressive we are right now. So come down, Brooklyn Mitsubishi. Click the link below. Call one of my team members and say you want Patronn special. Let's go. Come get it.